In just a few minutes, you can transform a simple photo into a beautiful Ghibli-style image, animate it, and even make it talk, all completely free. If you've ever run into ChatGPT limits or errors while trying to create Ghibli art, then this tutorial is made just for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to ToolWiseHub, and let's get started. Step 1. Turn your photo into Ghibli art. First, log into your X account and open Grok. Click on the Edit Image button and upload the photo you want to transform. In the prompt box, simply type "to Ghibli style" and hit Send. Just like that, Grok will turn your image into something that looks like it came straight out of a Studio Ghibli film. Think Spirited Away or My Neighbor Totoro. Once it's ready, click Download to save your Ghibli masterpiece. Step 2. Animate your Ghibli image. Next, head over to the Wan 2.1 website and create a free account. You'll find the link in the video description. Go to the AI video section and select Image to Video. Upload the Ghibli image you just created, then click Generate Video. In just a short time, the platform will bring your image to life with smooth Ghibli-style animation. Click Download to save your animated clip. Step 3. Make it talk. Now comes the fun part, giving your animated character a voice. Visit Pixverse AI and sign up for a free account. Go to the Create menu and choose the Speech option. Upload your animated Ghibli video. Type your dialogue into the script bar and pick an AI voice, for example, "I'm James," if you want a deep, calm tone.
You can call me Mason, though my years are...
Click Create to start the lip sync process. Once it's finished, just hit Download and you're done. Here's the final result from this step-by-step Ghibli AI animation tutorial.
Small talk, not for a Sigma like me. I dive deep, usually with my cat.
Thanks for watching this Ghibli AI animation tutorial. Want to see more powerful and creative AI tools? Check out the rest of the videos on this channel. See you in the next one.